Zavardy Official. Click here to subscribe.
Hey guys! Welcome to another unboxing video here on Zavardy Official. And in this time, let me show you this budget-friendly air condition that fits to your room. So join me watching this video. This KOLiN window type air condition cost 8,700 here in the Philippines. This is an air conditioner that is compact in design but built with power, durability, and many more. Upon opening the box, it comes with a styro to make it sure the item is safe to deliver. Nominal capacity of 0.6 horsepower and has a cooling capacity of 5,900, EER of 10.6. The higher the number, the better. With rated power of 555 watts, and the net weight of this product is 16.9 kilograms, and the fan motor is 25 watts. And the unit dimension is 16 by 13 by 12 inches. This is an air conditioner that is compact in design but built with power, durability, and features that you need for the best refreshing feeling. And this comes with Compact Series carries R32, an environmentally friendly refrigerant that helps in reducing ozone depletion in our atmosphere that makes the air in our room safer to breathe in. And this has an auto swing feature that enables the louvers to swing automatically to maximize the cooling area. This is the control panel where you can adjust the thermostat from 1 to 7 and select different modes from low fan, low cool, and high fan. This is where the washable filter and panel is placed. And you know what? It's durable and easy to wash the air filter that will last for many years. This filter works together to ensure a cleaner and breathable air for our family. And this is the condenser discharge air. This air conditioner has a 3-minute delay feature, and this is for aiding the compressor to prevent any damages caused by power fluctuation that usually occurs during cooling operation. The compact design feature was meant for areas with small spaces. It helps you to preserve more space and contains a great amount of cooling capacity that helps quickly reach the desired temperature in no time. And it comes with a modern design air grill. And upon testing the KOLiN air condition, it has a noise level of 50 dB indoor side, either high or low. You can still have a good sleep. After a few hours of using, it is so cool that you don't need any additional stand or desk fan to cool your room. So overall, this KOLiN air condition is an energy saver, environment friendly that is beneficial for both user and Mother Earth. And then it also has the lowest electricity rate and a budget friendly and made with a well-known and tested brand. And there is indeed comfort knowing that this air conditioner can provide quality cooling without spending too much. And for years, I know KOLiN brand has continuously innovated to offer better air conditioning to all Filipino homes. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. I hope to see you next time. Bye!